So I'm sitting here eating my lunch with a bird right next to me on my table. I don't think I've ever had a wild bird this close to me before. Standing right here in front of me at my table, watching me eat. Not afraid of nothing. How cool is this? He's about 10 inches away from me, standing here on my table. Now he's 8 inches away from me. I feel like the Birdman of Alcatraz over here. This bird is not afraid of me at all. Now he is about 6 inches away from me. He is right at my face right here. This bird is not afraid. I don't have anything for you, birdie. I don't think you should eat this. This is a barbecue sandwich. Might give you indigestion. This is really funny. This bird is not afraid of me. No fear at all. So I'm down here at the Phoenix Zoo having a pulled pork barbecue sandwich and a Coke. And just hanging out with this bird. So, bird, do you have a name? Would you like to say something? And off he goes. I guess lunch is over.